keep skipping them.
Green one. Ooh, it's a blue one.
Nope. Oh. Wow, that was a big one for a little boy. Wow, Bryson. Good job, buddy. This is... Oh, wow. These will get harder and harder as you go, huh? Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Start it over. Wrong button. This button. Yep. Really close, buddy. Really close.
It's the purple one.
Wow, Bryson. Wow. You're so smart. Mama can't see it. There you go. There you go. It's okay. You can still hold it. Do the next one. Solve it. Solve it. Fix it. Do it. They're waiting for you. Oh, start it over. Oh, I think it's the green one. Wow. Good job. Looky there. You're smart. Do this one. Can you do this one? Here, you do it. You do it. You want to play arcade mode?
I will.
The point of the game, for people that don't know, the point of the game is you move your little guys in a certain order and see how Mama can't even do it.